Ayan, so another day, another trade. And ito nga sa community natin, we are giving free signals, no? So free signals. And ayan, so we're trading gold. And yan, umaga pa lang, we were able to hit our TP, no? So from 4205 na hit natin 4215. So TP1 pa lang tayo. And we're expecting it to hit TP3. Ayan, so yun 4229. And that's a $10 move already. So if you're using 0.01 lot size, that's $10 already, and you can just multiply it. So if you're using 0.02, that's $20, no? So if 0.1, that's $100 already. So yung profit syempre, it's a bonus. So what we are promoting here sa community natin is that we were able to preserve our capital. So while we are trading, syempre hindi naman yung magpe-preserve tayo ng capital but we are not trading. So we are still trading. We are trading these assets, these pairs, no? And we were able to preserve our capital. So even if we are going to profit $1, as long as we were able to preserve our capital, yun, losses are just part of the game, part of the trading process, or part of our journey. But at the end of the day, at the end of the week or the month, if we were able to survive with our capital intact, and then that's a gain already. Even if it's just $1 gain, malaking bonus yun. So we were able to learn, we were able to gain knowledge, and we're going to be better next time. So that's what we are promoting here. And we need to think about our risk management, our what we are about to lose every time we enter the trade. So hindi lang siya profit, no? So we hindi ganun yung mindset natin. So kailangan lagi natin isipin magkano ba yung mawawala sa atin. So we need to set our stop loss. We need to expect that there's losses, no? So yun, if we were able to survive for a long time, so we're going to be profitable kasi we're always gaining knowledge, no? So we're always learning. So as long as na nandyan yung capital natin, we always have that opportunity to ride a good trend, no? So imagine if you're able to gain or to ride yung recent up move ni gold, no? So from $3,300 na pinanggalingan ni gold up to 4,300 per troy ounce, no? So napakalaki talaga na move na yun. So that's $1,000, $1,000 move, and it hindi pa yun talaga nangyayari in the longest time, no? So napaka ganda, no? So kung nasakyan natin yon, and kung meron tayong capital, meron tayong pang trade, no? So hindi tayo nasusunugan every day. So kasi yung yung mindset natin, no? So lalakyan natin lot size natin, kakaba ba tayo kung masusunugan ba tayo o hindi today, no? So kung hindi ganun yung mindset natin, nag-intay tayo, we were patient, we were able to ride that trend, and yun, at the end of the day nag-profit tayo. So that's our mindset. So again, I highly I invite you to join our Telegram community. So nandyan lang yung link niyan sa bio natin, and dyan sa description box below. So see you there.